Okay, we've got a report of a boat that's been hit by a trawler. With this bad weather, I'm not surprised. Go ahead and start the engines.
Back out 5.
Back out 5, yeah. Okay, we need to step it up. Alright, I see it. There it is up ahead. I got 3 in the water. I got 7 in life raft. Alright, go over there. Try and hover as close as you can and pick each of them up. Back out 5, back out 4.
Back out 4, guys.
Any work from the skipper of the yacht?
I have a few of the showers already on board. If you're ready to refuel or take off more showers on the outside.
Guys, so with that, we'll head to John Hunter back in Newcastle once everybody's out of the water. Okay, let's pick them up. We got all the uninjured guys down there on the yacht. Okay, we're going to come around to the right on the approach. Be careful, we've got a 15-knot crosswind and we've got 20-knot gust. We're going to be landing with a tailwind, so watch your RPM and watch your speed as you come in.